Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for coming to my channel to learn a new dance called The Devil Made Me Do It, also known as DMMD IT. This is a 4-wall line dance improver level, 32 counts, 2 restarts, and it is choreographed by Rick Dominguez. So let's get started. Starting on your left foot, we're going to do a little stomp forward, slightly forward, bring it down on, and then lift it to a hitch, and then coaster back, together, forward. The right foot does the same thing. Stomp, hitch, back, together, forward. And we count that as 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second count of 8, we're going to be following our left shoulder. So we're going to do a rock recover, left foot 1, recover back 2, triple to your left, turning to 6 o'clock, step, together, step. Same thing on the right foot, rock forward 5, 6, follow your right shoulder back to 12 o'clock, step, together, step. So that looks like 1, 2, cha, 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 rock, recover, 7, and 8. The next couple counts of 8 are a little bit trickier. They have syncopations and it moves really fast. So let's learn that. You've just finished your shuffle 7 and 8. You're standing on your right foot. You're going to take your left foot over 1, 2, cup behind 3, and you're going to set yourself at a slight diagonal here. And we're going to take the right foot back, step heel, step toe, step heel, step cross, and step. Now let's go through that with counts so it'll make a little more sense to you. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. One more time, crossing over on 1, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and angle, and touch, and heel, and cross, set. The last count of 8 continues with that same feeling. You're here on 8, you're going to cut behind on 1. Now we're going to do it with our right foot to this angle, and we're going to step it back and 2, so we're basically at 130, and tap, and heel. Now on and 5 to our new wall, which is about 1/8 of a turn, and 5. You're going to hold 6. On the count of 7, turn to your right foot halfway, getting all your weight on your right foot. You're going to continue basically turning on the ball of that right foot, bringing your left foot in. So let's go over that. And I'm going to give you a modification if you don't want to do that full turn also, okay? So that second count of 8, you're already on your left foot. We cut behind on 1, fourth count of 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, walk, walk, hold, turn, spin. Now, when you come around here, you want to be careful because even though you're turning on your right foot, you kind of stop your turn with your left. You need to remember that the next step, which is the beginning of the dance, is your left foot, okay? I'm going to do the last 2 8s for you, the ones with all the syncopations, okay? So you're going to take your left foot over. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Hold 6, 7, 8. We go 1, and we start it again. Now, if you're at this part and that turn is a little too much, easy. You can do a rocking chair there. So when I get here on 5, instead of holding 6, I rock back. 6, 7, 8, and then I'm ready. So I would just go 5, 6, 7, 8, as opposed to 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay? So let's run it from the top, and we'll do it at 2 walls, and then we'll do it with music. Oh, and then I'll tell you about the restarts. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, stomp and hitch, coaster 7 and 8, rock, recover, triple turn, cha, 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 to the right now, and chop to cross it over. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, cross 7, cut back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, step 5, hold 6, turn 7, start again. 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, left shoulder, cha cha cha, right shoulder. Now count to 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Start it again. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, the music's fast. The restarts happen at wall 5 and wall 11, and those, both of them happen after 2 8s. So this will be wall 5. So we do the first 2 8s, and it brings us right back to where we started. Okay, which means that this wall 5 and wall 6 are the same. So restart wall 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 will be a different wall. So this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is your next restart. And it comes right after the rock, recover, triple turn, okay? So you skip the syncopations. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna play this music called Martha Divine by Ashley McBride. Six, seven, go. 1, coaster. Turn to your left, turn to your right, count 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 and 6. Stomp up, rock and recover, turn to your left, turn to your right. 5. Coaster, turn left. Remember the little angle on that. Cross. This is going to be our restart wall. Rock, recover. Here we go. Restart. 1. Cross it over. Remember you hold 6. One more restart wall. This is it. You hear the music. You ready? Here we go. Pretty easy to hear, huh? And 4 and 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Cross it. That was a great dance, Rick Dominguez. Thank you for choreographing that. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope that you will absolutely subscribe to this channel if you have not. Please feel free to comment, ask questions about the video, share it. I would love that. And I teach out at the BL Saloon out here in Southern California in Agoura Hills. I would love to see you guys. So come on out, reach out to me, and I'll see you on the dance floor. Thank you.